Gnucash versus Quicken versus Kmymoney. Which finance tool is better? I'm going to tell you the difference between Gnucash, Quicken, and Kmymoney, and which one might be the better choice for you. Let's start with Gnucash. It's free, open source, and great for personal and small business accounting. You get double entry bookkeeping, scheduled transactions, and basic reporting. But the interface, a bit old school. Quicken, on the other hand, is the premium option. It's paid, but you get a polished UI, strong budgeting tools, bill tracking, and real time syncing. Ideal if you want everything automated and you're okay with paying yearly. Then there's Kmymoney, also free and open source. It feels more beginner friendly than Gnucash and is especially nice for Linux users. But it's not as feature packed, especially for businesses. So if you want power and don't mind complexity, go for Gnucash. If you want ease and automation, choose Quicken. And if you're just starting or on Linux, Kmymoney is solid.